Hey, I'm Prasad. The fastest way to create chaos with AI agents. Let every team define execution differently. One agent retries quietly, another fails hard, a third writes malformed output, and a fourth has no audit trail at all. I watched this exact pattern nearly destroy a financial services client's entire AI initiative last year. They deployed 12 different agent teams. By Q3, they had 12 different retry strategies, 12 different logging formats, and zero ability to debug cross-agent workflows. Mean time to resolution went from hours to days. The problem wasn't the agents, it was the complete absence of a shared runtime layer. The fix is counterintuitive. You don't standardize the agents themselves. You standardize the runtime that executes them. When I evaluate platforms like LangGraph, Crew AI, AutoGen, or Semantic Kernel, I'm looking for 5 non-negotiable runtime capabilities, not aspirational roadmap items. The hard line between a proof of concept and something that actually survives production. Event triggers and orchestration. Your runtime needs to handle webhooks, scheduled jobs, message queues, and API calls uniformly. I've seen teams wire agents directly to Kafka topics or Lambda functions, only to realize they've created 20 different invocation patterns across their fleet. Semantic Kernel handles this well with its connector model, and AWS Bedrock Agents gives you native event bridge integration. Either approach is dramatically better than rolling your own, so why do teams keep doing it? Then there's context, loading, and injection. Every agent needs context, user history, system state, retrieved documents. The runtime should own how that context gets loaded, cached, and injected into prompts. Too many teams hard code context retrieval inside agent logic. That's a mistake. When you need to switch from Pinecone to Weaviate or drop in a Redis caching layer, you shouldn't have to touch a single line of agent code. This is where most homegrown solutions fall apart. Reasoning boundaries. Your runtime needs to enforce token limits, cost ceilings, and timeout constraints consistently across every agent. Without that, one runaway chain of thought call at 2 a.m. can burn through your entire monthly budget. Not hypothetical, I've seen it happen twice this year alone. Here's the practical takeaway. Before you build or buy another agent, audit your runtime layer against these 3 capabilities. If your teams are each solving orchestration, context, management, and reasoning constraints independently, you are accumulating technical debt at a pace that will eventually stop your AI program cold. Standardize the runtime first. The agents will thank you for it. Full analysis is on jprasad.com. I'll see you on the next one.